Hey guys, and welcome to my video on how to get CarPlay running on the Pi. Today we are gonna use a project called Hudiy, H-U-D-I-Y. Just go to the web page, go to the shop, and for $10 you can have it. This is a similar thing to OpenAuto Pro. Has about the same functionality, but OpenAuto Pro is gone, the company behind it. I don't know what happened to it. You will receive an email, you just have to download the stuff from there, then open a Pi imager, choose your model. I would recommend Pi 5 with an NVMe. For testing I just have a Pi 3. Then iOS, you can use Legacy 64, so Bookworm, or the new Trixie. I'm gonna use Trixie because it's just the most up-to-date. Then you will choose your storage device. I did some settings with host name and the username, Wi-Fi, language, and also pre-enabled SSH. Sadly, with my install it somehow didn't work, but maybe if you have the most up-to-date Pi imager, this should work. Then just enter your password and wait for it to flash. After you have flashed the SD card, remove it from your SD card reader, put it in the Pi. Again, I'm using a Pi 3, this is not recommended, it's really slow. Also, I'm powering it from a USB port. Don't do that, it's not enough power most of the time. With the MacBook it seems to be more or less fine. After some time, my screen will turn on and the Pi is booting. This is a good sign when it starts. After that, you have to enter the username. If it works with the preset one, this is the best case scenario, but this is just more work. Then I will skip software install updates just because they take long. After it's launched into the desktop environment, which on the Pi 3 takes a while, I have to open a terminal, type in sudo raspi config to enable SSH. This also takes ages on the old Pi. I just enabled it. Now I'm gonna open two terminals on my Mac. This should work the same on Windows. There are not really differences. For Linux it's exactly the same commands. Then I opened an IP scanner. Here I used Angry IP Scanner to get the IP of my Pi and open the Finder window to find the file. Here it's in the downloads folder, installer 2.tar. On Windows you will have, or maybe also Linux, you will have tar.gz. Here I found the IP on 10.1.109.141. This will be different for you. Then I used SCP to transfer the Hudiy installer to the Pi. This just requires SSH to be enabled and you need the username and password. Then I'm gonna SSH into the Pi. here, just enter your password again for the Pi. I just use the standard credentials, Pi and Raspberry, just so I remember, and this is not connected to the internet normally. I don't really see an issue with that. Then you can see the file is transferred. Then here you need to use on macOS tar-xf. If you are using Windows to download the file, or Linux, then you will have tar.gz, so you need -x, z, v and f. After that, just cd into the installer folder, jmod +x to make the script executable, run the installer, and this will run now. During the install, you will be asked to enter your order number. This is the one with the hashtag in front, quite a long number. Just paste it in there. I couldn't show you this because else you can steal my install. After that, give it some time. This can take a few minutes. And bam, you're on Hudiy. Just accept the terms of service. Yeah, so now we're in the car. Here it's running on a Pi 4. You will see a real-time boot. Keep in mind that with the Pi 5 and the NVMe, boot time will be around 20 seconds or something. Here it's a bit longer. So now we're in Hudiy. It's really snappy on the Pi 4. Here I made a dashboard for the EV to control it. This is just a website that's hosted. Also, I have the reverse camera here working through a GPIO pin. It's just in the corner and it's always there. Then you can connect to the CarPlay. This also takes a while, but then it's really snappy. The flicker on the screen you can see is from the editing software. I don't really know where this comes from. And yeah, that's everything. If you want to get any more info on how to do stuff, you can go to the Hudiy GitHub page, and here you also have tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write a comment.